We're here backstage with Steven. Steven, you're gonna face the mentors one last time. How are you feeling?
Konti lang nervous, pero okay lang yan kasi I need to meet them and parang see how I'm doing so far in the contest.
Okay. All right. For you personally, how are you feeling with your stand in the competition?
I feel good right now, pero alam ko kailangan ko mas, mag-improve like ang lahat, like my talents. I need to keep improving.
Well, good luck. It's time to face the mentors.
All right, thank you.
Hi, Steven.
Hello po.
Hello, Steven.
Hi,
Hello po.
Isa ka sa mga contenders na napakabait. Cool ka lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang anything goes lang, di ba? Walang masamang tinapay sa'yo. Parang lahat lang tinatanggap mo. Baka nawawala ng character. Kasi hindi mo nakikita, hindi nakikita kung ano yung other side mo. Cute ka, gwapo ka.
Yeah.
So ngayon, yan yung iyong passport to fame. Okay? Pero after Starstruck, pagkatapos nun, I think kailangan mo ng masusi at mabigat na trabaho para magkaroon ng self-improvement. And I just wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
I would consider you in dance one of the most remarkable improvements. Kasi di ba nung umpisa tayo, parang tuod ka.
Yes.
Parang tatlong stick na pinagsama-sama. Tapos ang tigas-tigas parang legs mo, ang tigas-tigas ng katawan mo. And I was surprised that after that brief episode na ilang meetings, na lumambot yung katawan mo at naniwala ka nung sinabi kong kaya mo yan.
Okay.
So, natuwa ako doon because yun lagi ang first step. And if you get over that step, ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy na yung improvement na yan. Yung sinasabi ni Direk Gina, kailangan may ilabas ka from yourself to share to us. Hindi yung natutunan mo lang lahat from us to you.
Alam mo, maganda ang quality ng voice mo if you will go on a solo career. But in singing, no? However, hindi lang solo ang singing dito, no? Minsan you need to go sing ensemble or sing duets, trios, etc. And when you have production numbers like that, and you really were off-key.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So that's another skill, no? Pero importante na you train yourself, pursue in a way that you desire to train. Is that your desire?
Yes.
More for your voice?
Really, pagtapos ng Starstruck, talaga gusto ko like mag-improve. Like I want to take workshops with singing, and I really wanna improve.
Okay, because lumabas dun sa MTV mo, no? Your emotion was there. But of course, you push yourself more. Do you like your voice?
My voice, I like my voice, pero it's so soft. Like, kasi palagi tahimik ako, so like my voice is like really soft.
Okay, so you really need, you need power for your voice.
Yeah.
Therefore, you need to vocalize more on that.
Okay.
And also Tagalog,
Siyempre, di ba? Tagalog.
Opo.
Kasi pag marunong ka magsalita ng Tagalog, mas maiintindihan ka, mas mabibigay mo yung emotions na
tama
kailangan for that particular, kay acting yan, kay singing yan. Tapos, isa lang sasuggest ko sa'yo, Steven, when you do something, own it.
Own it.
You have to own it. Walang Steven na tatak eh. You have to own it. We believe in you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. So cute when this was.
All right, Steven, how was your assessment with the mentors?
Okay lang. It was good. Pero, they said something unexpected. Parang dapat kailangan mo mas matutunan Tagalog. Tapos parang like let your feelings out. Kasi minsan parang like they said I'm like the cool guy. Parang nothing affects me. So parang I need to let it out just 100%.
Okay.
Nitong Sabado, daho nga ba ang nakapag-deliver ng maayos for Star Talk segments? Kapuri-puri ba? O katigbak-tigbak?
Go, go, go! Tigbak Authority!
Nina! Go, go, go! Sa tigbak.
Tigbak.
Yan.
Tigbak. Tigbak.
Si Steven, nagsastruggle pa rin sa Tagalog.
Go! Uy! Uy! Natatanda no? 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Uy! 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 Natatanda yun. Baba.
Pero ano tong pa-sweet na eksenang ito? Ano naman kaya ang tingin sa kanila ng Star Talk hosts na sina Butch Francisco at Ricky Lo?
I was very impressed kasi magandang delivery nila. When they were shooting it, obviously, either ang galing-galing talaga nila mag-memorize ng spills o talagang kinerir nila. I saw the professionalism naman in every one of them.
Tingnan mo yung mukha ni Rocco, parang very expressive, di ba? Parang hindi nagsalita, parang may sinasabi, di ba? Si